Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Zimmerman. I wanted to show you how to get to the class website and what to look for when you're at the website. So if you go to Garaway.org, click on Schools and go to Garaway 7 through 12. The link to the website should be on the main page. It'll say Mrs. Zimmerman's class website. Click on that. Your screen is going to look slightly different than mine since I am on my own website, so this should not be in yours. But when you get to the web page, I would like you to bookmark it and save it so that you have it all the time. We'll be using this in class on a daily basis, so I want to make sure you have access to it. So on the home page, you're going to see important reminders. These reminders are going to be for all of my classes, so you can check there. There might be some things there for you. There's a little About Me section. There's a countdown to the AP Biology exam. There is my contact information in case you or your parents need to get into contact with me. And then there is a follow button for the Twitter account that we have for class. Now, up on top, we have 4 different choices. There's the AP Biology page, the Biology page, the Microbiology page, and the Calendar and Agenda. You guys will be focusing on the Biology page and the Calendar and Agenda page. So if I click on the Biology page, it'll bring us to the class page. On here, you're going to have reminders just for biology and what's happening in the class. We have a separate page for our interactive notebooks, and then over off to the side you're going to have pages for all of the different units of study that we're doing and all of the different articles that we're doing. So let's take a look at the interactive notebook page. On here you're going to find the table of contents. I'm going to try to update that weekly. If not more than weekly, so you guys will be responsible for checking and making sure that your table of contents for your notebook corresponds with the table of contents that I have here. There's also a video that I made to show you how to set up your interactive notebook in case you are absent on the day that we set them up in class. Alright, if I go back to the main page, units of study, the first one we're going to be doing is experimental design. On here, there are going to be different articles that we're going to be reading. There's going to be links to the different PowerPoints in case you're absent a day and you need to get the notes. They will be on here. Different videos and diagrams that I think will be important. This page is just started, so there's only 2 things on there right now, so not much to show you. And then articles, we'll be doing those every Friday in class. The link to the articles will be on here so that you can pull them up, and then you will be reading those articles and analyzing them from there. So like I said, this is newly set up, so there isn't a whole bunch going on right now, but as the year progresses, there's going to be more and more and more added to the website. And if you click on Calendars and Agenda, this is where you're going to find what we're doing in class each day. I have all 3 class periods on here, so you want to make sure that you're looking at the biology one, which is down at the bottom. I have pretty much the whole year set up. There won't be too many changes. There might be some changes to activities and labs, but as for tests and quizzes, those are going to be pretty much set in stone. So if you look down through, I said, each day is there on what we're doing, and it's color coded, so it's easier for you to read. Red is going to be if there's a test, a quiz, or a due date. Greens are labs that we're doing in class, purple's homework, and black is classwork. So even though this is set up, you should still be checking it because, like I said, there's going to be changes. If you're absent one day, go to the classroom website, come here, take a look at the calendar, see what you missed. That'll just save time in class for me having to show you what you missed. You can come here, and if it's something that you know you need to get paper-wise, then you can go to the class bin and pick it up there. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know in class, but hopefully that was a quick enough tutorial for you. All right, have a great night.